So I've mounted the box that's going to hold the DC breakers in it, as you can see here. Got the cable coming through the top with a grommet, and there's also a grommet at the bottom for the obviously the exit side. Breaker itself is DC specific, 500 volts, lots of amps on off, so double pole, so the negative and the positive are both switched. So that'll go up onto the DIN rail, and then obviously cut the cables to length, take a little bit off the end, bit of sheath off the end, put them in the top, bit of cable come out the bottom, and then again cable will come around here to where the MPPT charge controller is going to sit. I've ordered that off of a well-known shopping site. That should be here Saturday hopefully, so I'll get that fitted and then connect the two up, and then the next thing is to make a decision on which which inverter to buy and which battery to go for. As I said before, I think it'll be the 12 volt 100 amp hour battery, Life PO4 and a Renogy 3 kilowatt, but we'll see what happens over the next few days. Thanks for now.